know. Today I don't know what I'm gonna open. Look. Maybe let's open a princess first. I went to Hawaii before. I was dancing when I was smaller than right now, and I was dancing with a Hawaiian dress like this.
Yeah. We went to Hilo Hati.
Yeah.
And you got a purple dress.
Yeah.
Hawaiian
It's
design.
Mush.
And you dance in the Moana Center in Honolulu, right?
Yeah.
You were just not even 2 years old.
I was 1 year old.
1 year, maybe 10 months, I guess. We took the United Airlines from LAX and arrived in
Okay,
Hilo.
let's show them this. It says Moana.
Yeah, Moana.
Why does this table not good?
I don't know.
Hi, my name is Moana. I'm stuck in the box. Help me get out. Okay.
Moana. You like Hawaii?
I forgot.
Yeah, Moana of Ocean is a dangerous 16 years old. Oh, the box said that she's 16 years old.
What? Where?
That here, it says 16 years old. Much older than you.
Yeah. How much is older than me?
I don't know. 9 years.
Okay, let's go. Get on snipping.
Have you watched the movie?
Yeah?
You like it?
I don't remember. I haven't watched it in a long time. Did I?
I can't remember.
I watched at school and also watched it in my iPad. What? Waste of time. What? Can't see the scissors. Like this?
Can it help, right?
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking in the back of the camera. Just kidding. Thank you. Get her feet out.
Yeah, get her.
These rubber bands suck. I hate them.
Yeah, Hawaii is good. And you got a lot of sunshine. You went to Waikiki,
What's
the beach.
so
And you-
funny the name.
Yeah, the name is Hawaiian.
It's not
You know a
English.
few Hawaiian words I told you. I teach you
Aloha.
before. Aloha. Mahalo.
Mahalo.
Kama aina.
Kama'aina.
Yeah. When I was studying Hawaii, I always say kama aina when I buy the air ticket.
Really?
Yeah, because it's cheaper if you say kama aina.
These rubber
Of course, you
bands
still need to
suck.
steal the ID. Let me help you.
These rubber bands suck and these scissors not even cut it. Thank you. Don't cut the hair.
No, I don't cut the hair. I cut her hand.
Don't
Cut her
cut her
neck.
hand.
Cut her neck. You want me to cut her off?
No.
Kill her?
Yes.
Yes
No.
or no?
I don't want you to kill her. She's not even a people now. She's not alive. She's just a doll now.
Yeah. She's coming out. We're going to relieve her. One more cat.
One more call.
Done.
Yay.
Ala Moana. No, I mean Moana.
Just
Ala Moana
more.
is the name of the shopping mall.
More. Can you give me a little brush so I can measure hair? Try to. Let's see at the back. He's like, walking around.
Can you do some Hawaiian dance? Oh, we should get some Hawaiian music too.
Hey, I'm on a trending thing.
I remember
What?
the year you went to Hawaii was 2014.
Now it's
5 years ago.
201.
Now it's
You cut
2019.
her hair.
A little bit.
Look. What? What did you do to her? I see some hair taken out. There's still more. Let's turn her
Oh,
around.
she
She got a lot of hair.
yeah.
Her hair's curly too. Look. Hair is falling off of her so easily. sure to give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We will